Welcome! In this video, you'll learn about how climate change is affecting the people of Greenland. The effects of climate change are often more pronounced in places near the poles, so while many people around the world experience slightly more erratic weather, Greenlanders are witnessing dramatic changes firsthand. The most notable change is in the amount of sea ice on the coasts of Greenland. While ice will melt in the summertime, the overall mass stays the same with winter refreezing. However, climate change has made it so that less and less ice refreezes each year.
The people of Greenland live in close proximity to nature, and because of this, they are more aware of the changes in the landscape that surrounds them. Over the years, they've noticed less sea ice in the winter, more icebergs, and more unpredictable weather patterns. Because of this change in sea ice, the fishing industry has been severely impacted by climate change. Changes in water temperature can affect fish populations. Not only can this cause fish factories to close down, but it can send ripples through the food chain.
Aside from fish, the Inuits also hunt and eat seals and whales. These animals depend on fish, and their populations change with the changes in their food source. Crustaceans such as shrimp are also affected by increasing temperatures and ocean acidity. These changes are yet another disruption to the food chain, since both fish and sea mammals feed on crustaceans. Other animals, like polar bears, adapt to the loss of sea ice and seal populations by encroaching on human towns. They're looking for scraps of garbage to scavenge, and this puts both the bear and humans in danger. Not all changes are viewed negatively, though. With more ice disappearing, more land is available for farming and agriculture. And as temperatures creep up, the inhabitants of Greenland spend less money on heating oil and electricity. Shipping lanes also open up with less ice, and some residents hope that this may boost the local economy as ships have more access to Greenland than before. We won't know the exact effects of climate change, although some consequences may be predictable while others may be unforeseeable. Thank you for watching this video on the effects of climate change on the people of Greenland.